So this right here is the Mr. Coffee 12 cup coffee maker. This is the switch version, and what that means is all it is a switch. So it's a very, very, very simple to use machine. This is the carafe that comes with it. As you can see, it's glass and it has a plastic handle as well as a lid that lifts up like that. So that just goes there. Then if you lift up this top, you can see that the filter goes in here and the water goes back here. And again, like I mentioned, this has room for up to 12 cups of water inside. So keep that in mind. You can make a bunch of coffee with this, and the filter pops out right here. So if you wanted to clean this or move it around to put your coffee grounds in, you can do that easily, and then just lock it back into place like this. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my mug to fill it with water and pour the water inside here. And I'm just gonna do a little bit more just in case. So I'm putting just a bit more just to account for the amount that the coffee grounds are gonna soak into. And now next I have to put my filter and coffee grounds in. And what's really cool is this side lights up, so if you need that pick-me-up and it's dark outside, you can see how many cups are inside. Okay, so I've got my filter inside. Now I'm gonna add just 1 tablespoon of the coffee grounds, just because it's for me. It smells great, so we're just gonna put that on there. And that's all there is to it. I really like this coffee maker, because it's very simple. There's no, fancy gimmicks about it. It's just plain and simple coffee at the touch of a button. So I'm just gonna close that. And all that's left is to flip the switch. So now we can see it's starting to heat the water and drip the coffee. Okay, so it sounds like it's all done brewing. So we're just gonna flip the switch to off and pull it out. And here we go, we've got our coffee. This is about 1.5 cups it looks like, so that's perfect for me. And now all I gotta do is pour my cup and enjoy. So that was the Mr. Coffee 12 cup coffee maker. As you can see, it was very simple to make this cup of coffee. No crazy gimmicks or gadgets on this device, just the flip of a switch and instantly I have amazing coffee and I can have a great start to my day. So definitely check this one out. I hope you guys enjoy and have a wonderful day.